So what happens when you have a stroke? Blood flow is cut off, oxygen is cut off. When oxygen is cut off to a neuron, that automatically triggers those damps that I talked about. Those are little molecules too that will trigger the immune system. A stroke causes that. There's a lot of events that occur right after a stroke, but that is one of the events that occur even after blood flow has been restored. So what happens when these damps are released? Well, one thing that's relevant to today's video is that it creates an overabundance of these immune cells in the brain. That creates a high concentration of immune cells in the brain. And based on physics, that high concentration in the brain causes them to kind of leak out into the rest of the body. We have something called a blood-brain barrier that protects the brain from certain chemicals and molecules getting into the brain. When these immune cells leak out into the body, one of the things that happens is that it breaks down that blood-brain barrier, which allows more immune cells to get into the brain, creating more inflammation in the brain. So that's important to understand as far as what happens after a stroke and why it's relevant to the habits that we're going to go into today and why you should really take this video seriously.